Plaza. Welcome to Fiji. Nimbo, sir. Nimbo, not Nimbo. We're only here temporarily. Hopefully, we will get back there soon as well. I think sometimes the traffic that we get here on time. We I don't know what they named it, but certainly not on time. Not convinced them. So instead of losing all the good.
What was that site on called? Well, you know better than I do, but around the world there's not many places that have got control of New Zealand. So there's a
Good night, good there.